Good day, grade 9s. I'm Ms. Todd. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the reactions of acids with metals. For this section, we are going to look at how an acid reacts with metals, what the chemical reaction is, and what the products are that forms when a metal reacts with an acid. So, when metals react with acid, it forms hydrogen gas and salt. As you can see in the diagram below, if we were to place a piece of magnesium in acid, the bubbles that will rise to the top of the surface will be hydrogen gas. The reason why hydrogen gas will rise is because it is less dense than air. So it rises to the top, and at the top of the solution, the hydrogen gas will be released. If we have a look at the general equation between acids and metals, for this one, we have a metal plus acid, and it gives us salt and hydrogen gas. We have a positive test for hydrogen gas in this section. It is when a burning splint explodes with a distinctive pop sound. So as you can see in this diagram over here, the metal, which is magnesium ribbon, reacts with the acid and the gas is released. If we were to take a burning splint or a glowing splint and place it where the hydrogen gas is, it makes a popping sound. This is the positive test for hydrogen. Let's start with the reactions of an acid with metal. Example number 1 is when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid and it gives us magnesium chloride, which is the salt, and hydrogen gas. If we start with our chemical equation, we have magnesium, which is our metal, and HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. The only rule that we are applying to this section instead of our 3 normal rules is that number 1 bonds with number 3. That gives us the salt, which is magnesium chloride, and our second product will be hydrogen gas. Now take note, it's H2. The reason why we are not just saying H is because hydrogen is a diatomic molecule, which means it occurs as 2 atoms in nature in gaseous phase. Our second example of the reaction between acids with metals is the reaction between zinc and sulfuric acid. Zinc and sulfuric acid react to give us zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Our chemical formula for this example is Zn for zinc plus H2SO4. Number 1 will bond with number 3 to give us ZnSO4, which is zinc sulfate, and H2, which is hydrogen gas. You can have a look at the image over here. We have small zinc particles that react with the sulfuric acid, and the products are the hydrogen gas bubbles, which can be seen over here. Thank you for coming to my lesson, grade 9s. We'll see you next time.